Good morning. It is, what day is it?
Saturday.
Is it the 15th?
16th.
Good morning. Really? I don't know. We don't know what day it is.
So what? Go on.
No, I always say the day because it's Vlogtober.
It's
the 16th. Good morning. It is the 16th of October. It is the October of 16th. Is it the 16th? It's the 15th.
Ooh.
So, good morning. It is the 15th of October, Saturday, and we are
Good morning.
And my mom is driving us to the farmer's market. And it's a very wet and cloudy day. Skeletons. Ew, I like this silver one. I love this. She's not super ugly. She's kind of cute. Oh my god, Mom! You can buy 8 scary skeletons.
Those are cute.
It's Nuna and Suki. So after we went to the farmer's market, we stopped at a couple of other shops, one of which being Goodwill, which is one of our favorite places to shop. If you don't know what Goodwill is, it's just a thrift store. We got some little gifts for Lena, my little goddaughter, and her mom, my aunt. So I thought I would just show you them real quickly because they're so cute. The first thing is this little trick-or-treat basket bowl thingy. And this cute little bear, oh my god, look at this little bear. He has like a little pumpkin suit on, and we're gonna put him in there like that. We're gonna put some candy in it with him. Oh my god, this is my favorite thing we got. Adorable little baby onesie with little bows and the tutu and a pumpkin, and it's just like the perfect little Halloween onesie. And it was the right size, so it really worked out. And then we got this adorable little decoration, like a decorative plush pumpkin thing, which is very cute. And then I got a funny shirt. It says "Bite Me," and it's like a glittery fang thing. Then the very last thing we got was this, which, oh, I don't know, this might be my favorite thing too. A bag of scary skeletons. And I'm going to put them in these little empty vases that we have here on either side of the spooky tree. So I'm gonna do that now. Ooh, I like it. Yes. They look much better filled up with stuff. But I still have 2 more. What do I do with the extras? I don't know. I don't know what to do with the extras. Maybe I should make them into earrings. Hell yeah, I'd wear skeleton earrings. Maybe not this big though. I'll figure it out. I also need to find a place for this little guy. He's so cute. Take off the tags. This is my favorite Halloween decoration. It's a tiny cauldron. Can't really see it there. It's a tiny cauldron and a candle holder. For no other than pumpkin spice candles, of course. I don't know how well you can see this. Here. I put the last 2 skeletons in the cage with the rat, and he's holding the leg. I cracked myself up. Oh my god. Oh, Kana. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Kana. Look at this fatso. Oh, I love her. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna like sit on this part of the chair. This much. And finish uploading.
I think it looks pretty.
I do too. This is what we're doing to the kitchen.
Yeah, it's not done.
I know.
There's more.
Bringing in all the plants. Can't kill the plants. We have a lavender now. Another fuchsia.
Two fuchsias. That's an orange and.
Oh.
See, look at
Oh
the
yeah,
orange.
there's this
pretty?
fuchsia.
And there's a tree and a sunflower in there too.
Oh yeah. It's everything. That looks gross. But it smells really good. This is some of my favorite weather. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love warm and sunny too, but there's something about getting to be bundled up in sweaters and parkas and the rain and the clouds. I just love the rain and the clouds so much. It's just peaceful. So I was just editing this vlog and then I realized that I didn't end it. Last night I was so tired. I think all of the nights where I fell asleep at 1 in the morning had kind of caught up to me. So I fell asleep at 10 p.m. and just completely spaced vlogging. So sorry about that. But I just wanted to end this vlog and say I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. And yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow.